In this video, we will learn about the TradingView to MetaTrader 5 software. Just like how we install any Windows software, we will install this software by double-clicking it. Now, you need to enter the product key that you have purchased here. After entering the product key, click the OK button. So your TradingView to MetaTrader 5 software is now open. Now, in the menu bar, there is an option to select MetaTrader 5 path. If you have more than one MT5 installed on your computer, the software might get confused about which MT5 to place the trade on. So from here, you can select the specific path. The software will operate only the MT5 that you select. It won't update the other ones. If you have only one MT5 installed on your PC, then you don't need to select anything. Even if you do select or don't select, it doesn't matter. This is only necessary when there are multiple MT5 installed on the computer or server. After selecting the path, click the OK button. The path will be saved. After that, in the general settings, options like maximum slippage, number of retry orders, and retry after seconds are provided. The value of slippage is given in points. Number of retry orders and retry after seconds is for when your order placement fails for some reason. You have to write here how many times you want to retry. After a failure, how many seconds you should wait before retrying is what you need to write here as the waiting period in seconds. After inputting, click the OK button. Then there's an option for time settings. Here in the time settings, you can define the start time and end time of your software. You have to define the start time in hours, minutes, and seconds, both for the start and the end. After that, you need to select the time zone according to which you want to set the start time and end time. Almost all time zones are provided here. If you want to check the start time and end time, you need to click on the True button. If you don't want to check them, then keep it set to False. After changing the time settings, click the OK button, and you will be able to see the time zone you have selected. It is also written here that the time zone is changed. The next is TradingView message. Here you get two signal types, entry and exit. Some TradingView strategies send alerts for both entry and exit. If your strategy gives an exit signal and you've selected exit type, then it will only close the current trade, not open a new one. Now about entry signals. If you've selected entry and set reverse signal to true, here's what happens. A buy signal will open a buy trade. If a sell signal comes next, it will close the buy and open a sell. But if reverse signal is false, it works differently. A buy signal opens a buy trade. If a sell comes, it doesn't close the buy. It just opens a new sell separately. So in short, reverse signal true is close old, open new. Reverse signal false, both buy and sell can stay open. Note, in exit mode, reverse signal has no effect. Exit alerts only close trades, they don't open any. Here, you have the option to select a symbol available in MetaTrader 5. You can choose your preferred symbol from the provided list. In magic number, you have to write the magic number you want for your trade. But remember, the magic number for all your strategies should be different. In slippage, you can write the maximum slippage. Remember, this value is given in points, so you have to write it in points. Then if you want, you can also set the maximum spread. If the spread is more than this, your trade will not open. This value is also given in points, so if you want to input the maximum spread, you can do it in points. If you don't write anything in this input field, the spread will not work. After that, we have the option of reverse signal here. In reverse signal, two options are given, true and false. If you want to close the order on the opposite signal, then you set the value here to true. If you don't want to close the order on the opposite signal, then you set it to false. Then comes lot type. Here, 4 types of lot types are given: fixed lot, auto lot, risk percentage, and martingale. In the fixed lot, you can write the quantity with which you want to place the order. Then comes the auto lot, whose formula is given on your screen. It is your account balance divided by your auto lot factor. Whatever value comes out will be the quantity of your trade. Next, there's the option to trade based on risk percentage. This automatically decides your quantity based on your account balance, stop loss, and the inputs you have given. After that, there's the martingale lot. If you want to use martingale in your trade, you can write the martingale quantity here. Then comes martingale logic. Here, 3 types of logic are given: multiply simple, multiply decimal, and increase. In multiply simple, your quantity will be multiplied by the previous quantity according to the multiply factor you write. But if your multiply value is in points, then you need to select martingale decimal for multiplication in points. Next is martingale increase. If you select increase in martingale logic, you need to write how much quantity you want to increase with your previous quantity. So orders will be placed in this manner. In the lot settings, you only need to fill the input field of the lot type you have selected. You don't need to fill the other input fields. After checking all input fields, click on the Generate button. Then you see an error here. The error is because we have selected risk percentage in the lot type, but we have not entered the stop loss. For risk percentage, we need to calculate the order's quantity by considering stop loss, risk percentage, and account balance. So here, you need to write the stop loss. If you want to keep take profit with your trade, you can write that too. But remember, the values for stop loss and take profit are given in points. After that comes trade comment. Here, if you want to add a comment to your trade, you can do so. After filling all the inputs, click on the Generate button. Then you can see here, a message has been generated because we have entered the correct input in the right field. If you select Fixed Lot here, and don't write the quantity for the fixed lot and then click on the Generate button, the message will not be generated. Whatever input you have selected, you will have to fill the fields accordingly. Then, click on the Generate button and your message will be generated. Now we will open TradingView. After opening TradingView, we will click on the Indicator tab. Then in the search box, we will open the alert of whichever strategy we want to copy in MetaTrader 5. Here I have selected the moving average strategy. There are many strategies provided, more than 1,000. You can select any strategy. This software is compatible with all strategies. As soon as I click, the strategy gets attached to the chart and the strategy's signals are also visible on the chart. Here we can hide the strategy or restart it. If you want to change any inputs, you can click on the Settings button and change the inputs. After changing the inputs, click the OK button and the inputs will be saved. You can change the inputs according to what you want for the strategy. After changing the inputs of the strategy, you will need to generate an alert. There is a More option here with 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots and the first option is Add Alert. Click on it. We have copied a message from the software. You need to paste that message here. If we want to give a name to the alert, we can do so here. After that, we need to click on the Notification tab. Here we have to click on the webhook URL and write our server's webhook URL here. Now we will close the TradingView settings window. Now we will click on the TradingView webhook button. Here we can see our TradingView webhook URL. Copy it and paste it in the webhook URL here. Then click on Create Alert. You will see that your alert has been created. Now we will click on the Start Trading button. As soon as we click on the Start Trading button, our MetaTrader 5 automatically opens. We don't even need to open it ourselves. We just need to have MetaTrader 5 installed on our computer. But remember, as soon as MetaTrader 5 starts, your auto trading button should be enabled. Only then this software will work. Now whenever there is an alert in TradingView, the order will automatically be placed in MetaTrader 5 according to the alert. So here you can see that alerts are coming in our TradingView. Our trades are being placed. You can see the details of trade placements in our software and directly in MetaTrader 5. As you know, we had kept the reverse signal as false. Therefore, your previous order is not closing on the opposite signal. We had set stop loss and take profit. That's why all trades are being placed with our stop loss and take profit. Whenever a new signal is coming, the trade is automatically being placed. Signals are also coming in TradingView. Our trade has been automatically placed. If we click on the Stop Trading button, then no trades will be placed on the signals. Here are 3 buttons: Close All Buy, Close All Sell, Close All Orders. All orders were closed, and we can see all the details of the closed orders here. In the TradingView message, if you want to place trades without a stop loss and take profit, you can leave both blank. If we select reverse signal as true, it will close the previous order on the opposite signal and place a new order. So we have copied this message. Now we will paste the new message in our alert. You can edit by clicking on the Edit button, remove the old message, paste the new one, and then click on the Save button to save the new message. As you have seen, as soon as the alert came, the previous order was closed and the new order was placed according to the alert. In the TradingView message, we see another option, like the order type. Here we can see 3 types of options: as per signal, buy alert, and sell alert. In TradingView, we also see different kinds of strategies. Like in this strategy, when we create an alert, we get the option to select buy and sell. So for copying alerts of this kind of strategy, we are given the option of order type. But here we need to create individual alerts for buy and sell. For that, we need to create separate alerts for buy and sell. Separate messages have to be created for both. So after filling all our inputs, when we click on Generate, buy is written on the side. We need to paste this message in the buy alert. Then we select the sell alert and click on the Generate button. We will see sell on the side. We need to paste this message in the sell alert, and then we can create the alert. Everything remains the same. After that, you can create the alert. So you can see that our alert has been created. So for some strategies, we need to create separate alerts for buy and sell. So this is our TradingView to MetaTrader 5 software. Using this, you can operate your TradingView strategy in MetaTrader 5.